sit for a sec. And I've got there's different ones. There's Chef Master Red, and then there's AmeriColor Super Red. Either one is fine. So we're going to go with, since we used AmeriColor there, we're going to use AmeriColor here. Make sure this is open. Squirt it in. I would say I used about 1/3 of that bottle, but I should not need any more. And watch it turn red. There it goes. Isn't that awesome? That's all the red you need, and it's going to stay true on the color too. Just making sure it's all blended in. I like to turn it down so it'll spray off the excess cake batter instead of just turning it off and then pounding them off. Okay, clean this up. All right, now on your cake pan, we're going to prepare that. Got a pencil. This is parchment, and we're going to put the parchment down. I like to bend the pencil at an angle to get underneath the pan, because if I do it straight up and down, I'm going to have to trim off all that excess. So if you bend the pencil like this and follow the angle of the pan, you get a more truer circle of the pan where you're going to go inside for the layer of cake to be on it. Now, that pencil is not food safe, so we have to trim off all of that pencil that we just cut. And this is folded in half so I get two at the same time. So we're going to cut this inside that pencil mark to get it off. We're only using it for our line. We do not want that inside. Should not mark on anything edible with a pencil or even a colored pencil, because it's not, maybe non-toxic, but it's not food safe. And see, you can see all the pencil is still there. That goes in the bottom. We're going to spray that with Pam. Okay, we'll spray this lightly with Pam around the edges, not heavily. Yes, the parchment's still in there. Okay. Now, this is the fun part. This is so cool. I love this. I've got 2 half-cup measuring cups. We're going to take and we're going to measure up the white, scoop it up, about a 1/2 cup of it. We're going to do this 2 times, 1 in each pan. We're going to pour it right smack in the middle, scraping this all out. And we're going to go another 1/2 cup. I'm going to put in the middle of this one. Spread it out just a little bit. Okay, you can put that back in because we're going to use that one. Scooping up the red. 1/2 cup right smack in the middle. Stay in the middle. Kind of push it down a little bit. Pop it like this. Don't try and spread it, just push it like this. Let it push itself like this. Now from experience, I know how much batter it's going to take to fill these 2 pans. So that's why I did this batter, and then I split it in half evenly. So when this is done, we're going to have the exact amount of batter in each pan that we need to make this cake rise up to the top, which will be about 2/3 full each one. Okay, now we're going to go back to the white.